When using PFLT as an example, I'm simply assuming that over the next 20 years, this fund will perform as well as it has since its IPO. But one of the best parts of income investing is seeing dividend payments snowballing. Seeing payments grow every single month or quarter is so much more motivating to me than seeing a line move up and down, but gradually moving upward over a long period of time. This is where a good dividend growth fund like ticker symbol SCHD would come in handy. Allocating a certain percentage towards growth will ensure that inflation doesn't leave you with less spending power in the future. Another option would be to reinvest your dividends some months and then spend them the others if that's possible. It also needs to be said that you should not chase dividend yields. Don't just invest in holdings that are simply offering the highest dividend yields, but do your research into which high-yielding stocks have the best track records. But I just wanted to show people the power of snowballing these high-yielding dividend stocks. There's so much more I could talk about, but I'm not going to be able to cover everything in one video.
If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out the link we've pinned in the comments section for some extra goodies.